Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Costway Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. In today's video, we will explore their features, capacities, and usability to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Costway Portable Washing Machine offers a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has a total capacity of only 11 liters, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. Therefore, if you often wash larger loads, the Costway model is the clear winner. In terms of design, the Costway model is compact but heavier, making it less portable compared to the Mini Portable Washing Machine. The Mini model is designed to be foldable and extremely lightweight, making it perfect for travel and easy storage. This makes the Mini Portable Washing Machine a better choice for those who prioritize portability. When it comes to usability, the Costway Portable Washing Machine features timer controls that allow for customized wash cycles, which adds flexibility to your laundry routine. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine offers a simple one-button operation, making it incredibly easy to use, especially for those who may not be familiar with washing machines. Depending on your preference for control versus simplicity, each machine has its advantages. In conclusion, both the Costway and Mini Portable Washing Machines have their unique strengths. The Costway is perfect for larger loads and offers more features, while the Mini is ideal for portability and ease of use. Consider your specific needs when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.